For most any human, living on Earth is all we've known since birth. And while we have conquered and explored nearly all the land on our planet, the human race has only explored a mere 5% of the world's oceans. Seeing as over 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in ocean, it is very probable to say there are creatures in there that we've never discovered. As most scientists agree, about 2/3 of all marine life remains unidentified. This becomes true with new species constantly being discovered every day. The question arises, could there be something so spine-chillingly horrible that it could change life on Earth for the worst? For example, life-destroying creatures similar to those in Jaws or even Cloverfield. What could be lurking in the depths of our deepest and darkest oceans? Well, that is what we're going to explore today, with 3 of the most frightening documented ocean anomalies. In the month of August in 1991, an unidentified sound was received and recorded by the Pacific Marine Environmental Laboratory. The unnerving sound has been dubbed the upsweep sound. It is a long train of narrow-band upsweeping sounds of several seconds in duration each, as can be seen in the photo here. It happens to be so loud that it can actually be received from all around the Pacific Ocean, and it can still be heard today, though its source level has been declining since it was discovered in 1991. It also appears to be seasonal, as it reaches its peak of noticeability primarily in the spring and fall. However, it's unclear if this is due to the regular seasonal changes or something else. Unlike the bloop or Julia sounds, similarly uncovered by the NOAA, the upsweep sound has no real explanation. Some have theorized that it may be a cryptid, some large deep-sea creature staying close to the surface to keep itself from being exposed. Others have said it sounds like crying souls and demons from hell, and few even reportedly claimed the sound calmed them and interpreted it as having a weird, creepy beauty to it. However, with its position being close to where the bloop noise is recorded, many speculate that what is heard is actually volcanic activity and the sound of gases being released at very low depths. In the depths of the Antarctic is a creature similar to a mermaid with a humanoid shape, or so we think. The NINGEN, a Japanese myth and oceanic cryptid, is a humanoid-like creature with a completely white complexion and range between being 20 to 30 meters in length. Some eyewitnesses who claim to see them claim they have arms, legs, and sometimes 5-fingered hands. In some accounts, they've even reported seeing fins, a mermaid-like tail, and even tentacles. NINGENs have apparently been sighted multiple times by many countries, most notably Japan. Off the coast of Antarctica, a Japanese research vessel spotted a creature with a close resemblance to a NINGEN, described as looking bulbous. This claim came from a Japanese forum known as 2channel, where a man claimed to have worked on the same whale research vessel, seeing the creature ascend and rise up from the depths. Many people point out this one account on 2channel to being the true beginning of the widespread belief of NINGENs. However, there have been reported sightings since the 16th century. Many suggest it being a new species, similar to the giant albino ray. Due to the recent spread of NINGENs, many photos and videos have surfaced claiming to have captured them. This short 10-second video, with almost 1 million views on YouTube, shows what appears to be a creature lurking in deep water, observed from far away. Even though it seems to be some fish are moving, and the camera even zooming in and out, it's unclear if this video is real or provides any real proof. The object seems still, joined by long and slender arms and legs and a small head. I can't say for sure if this is believable. The video itself is extremely low quality, so I can't safely say this is a NINGEN. This next footage might have a little bit more validity to it, as it was apparently shot off the coast of Sagami Bay in Japan in late August of 2010. In this video, they come up close to what appears to be a NINGEN, but similar to the last video, not moving. Some have speculated this is actually a dead NINGEN. This is also a bit more convincing, as it meets the initial appearance described in the first few sightings, including that of the Japanese myth. But it's also possible this may be some other deceased large marine life. I couldn't find any more info on this video, so I'm not positive if it's real, but the beginning of the video shows some other life within the ocean that the vessel encountered. The Megalodon was one of the largest sharks to ever traverse our seas, around 2.6 to 20 million years ago. Though thought to be extinct, a video surfaced in 2016 claiming to have caught a 50-foot Megalodon at the bottom of Mariana's Trench. The video shows a very battered shark approaching a bait cage, then obscure the view of the camera we are seeing through, then thrashing at the bait trying to get it. Now, this shark seems huge. However, according to Snopes.com, a website known for disputing myths thought to be fact, this is not a Megalodon. As it turns out, this is actually filmed in September of 1989, somewhere near Suruga Bay in Japan. And the shark in the video? It's a type of shark called a Pacific sleeper. And this was a 23-foot-long female. And the earliest version of this video was uploaded in 2008, which means it definitely didn't happen in 2016. But that's not to say this isn't the least horrifying. Needless to say, the ocean is a very intriguing and interestingly ominous place. With a chance of so much to be possible, it wouldn't be a surprise if these creatures did exist, or perhaps there were other worldly beings in the sea. Maybe next time you're visiting a coast or flying overseas, remember what may lurk and get yourself caught into something you've never seen before. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the flip side.